Hello friends, welcome back to Smartphone World. In this video, we are going to pit Redmi 6 Pro in a speed test against its rival from Asus, the Zenfone Max Pro M1. The Zenfone Max Pro is powered by best budget chipset from Qualcomm, the Snapdragon 636 with 3GB of RAM. On the other hand, the Redmi 6 Pro is powered by Xiaomi's favorite same old Snapdragon 625 processor with 4GB of RAM. The Zenfone Max Pro runs stock Android Oreo with slight tweaks done by Asus, whereas the 6 Pro runs Android Oreo with MIUI 9.6 on top. Before we get started, subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so that you guys don't miss any of our future videos. While you're down there, enter our Amazon gift card giveaway. Let's kick things off with the boot up test. Here we go. The Zenfone Max Pro booted up in just 20 seconds, followed by 6 Pro at 27 seconds. The Zenfone Max Pro has one of the best boot up times I have ever seen on budget smartphones. All backgrounding apps have been cleared on both the phones, and let's start the timer. First off, let's open some system based apps. Both phones were quick to open basic apps like phone, settings and Instagram, and I did not notice any difference between the phones. We can see the difference of processing power between Snapdragon 636 and 625 when it comes to loading games. The Zenfone Max Pro loaded all games, Subway Surfers, Stack, Alto, tad bit faster than 6 Pro. This provided an advantage to Zenfone Max Pro in the first round, and the phone took 94 seconds to finish the first round. On the other hand, the Redmi 6 Pro took 98 seconds to finish the first round. In the second round, we'll check the RAM management capabilities of both the phones. This is where Zenfone Max Pro's performance takes a hit, as the phone had only 5 apps in memory and started reloading all apps from Alto to phone dialer. With Snapdragon 636 on board, I expect our Zenfone Max Pro to keep more apps in memory. We do need to take into account the fact that we have only 3GB RAM variant of Zenfone Max Pro with us for this speed test. The phone may perform better with 4 or 6GB RAM variant. If any one of you guys have 4 or 6GB RAM variant, you can share your thoughts about the RAM management capabilities of Zenfone Max Pro on the comments below. On the other hand, the 6 Pro managed to keep all apps in memory and finish the second round in just 28 seconds. With poor RAM management, Zenfone Max Pro took 60 seconds to finish the second round. The winner of the speed test is Redmi 6 Pro, but the question is, do all Android One phones suffer from RAM management issues? Even more powerful and capable phone like Mi A2 fail to keep apps in memory. This is something I need to test more, and I'll come up with one more video where I explain why Android One phones fail to keep apps in memory. So what do you guys think about Redmi 6 Pro performance against Zenfone Max Pro? Share your thoughts on comment section. If you like the video, hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to Smartphone World for more tech and gaming videos. As always, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video, and you guys have a great day.